If you are interested in real estate investments, or if you want to be a real estate agent, you might have heard the term equity from someone. And if you are not aware of what it is, this video is surely for you. Today we are going to understand the term equity, which is widely used in the real estate business. Basically, equity in a home or your home equity is the difference between the market value of the property and the amount you owe to the lender. There are factors due to which equity can be changed over time. Those factors include repayment of the loan and fluctuation in the market value of the property, etc. In simple words, equity in real estate is the amount you will receive after selling a property. Let's suppose that the market value of your home is $600,000 and you have to give $500,000 in debt to the lender. After clearing the debt and selling the property at the market price, the home equity will be $100,000. If you're interested in becoming a real estate agent, let's have a look at how equity works in real estate. Now, if you want to calculate the equity of your house, you have to take the current value of the house at market rates and subtract the amount you owe on the mortgage. You also have to take into account the other closing costs as well, such as the finder's fee and other tax charges. For instance, if your home sells for $400,000 and your mortgage is $150,000, then your equity is $250,000. Let's suppose you have to pay the closing costs as well in order to finalize the deal. Those charges cost you around $5,000. Then you will have to subtract this amount from the equity, and the net amount you will be left with as equity will be $245,000. As a real estate investor or seller, you should know how to build equity. You can increase equity in two ways: by increasing the value of your home or by decreasing the amount you owe on the property. Here's what you should do. Every mortgage payment contributes to reducing debt and equity growth. So in order to increase your equity, you should make your payments regularly. Including an extra payment or two per year can also help. Another method of increasing equity is through improving your property. Upgrading and making renovations to your property can raise its value, and so your equity stays. For example, if you spend $60,000 upgrading your kitchen, the market value of your property will improve by $40,000, assuming you did not take out a home equity loan to pay for the new kitchen. There's another method of building equity, and that is clearing the maximum amount by paying larger down payments. It also increases the equity of that property. For that purpose, an investor or the owner should use mortgage calculations efficiently. The equity of a home can be increased by some external factors, such as demand for a specific property, market trends, and growth in the community, etc. It is not necessary that you will always get benefit from a property. Your property's equity might fall sometimes. There are factors that are responsible for the fall of equity for a specific property. These factors might include a decrease in local home values, the economic conditions of the area, and the deterioration of homes or properties in the area. Basically, the equity of a home is greatly influenced by the market trends of a specific area. There are also some other ways through which the equity of your home might decrease. Increasing the size of your loan will surely decrease the equity of your property. If you refinance your mortgage, obtain a second mortgage, or take out a home equity loan, you will certainly reduce your equity. Leaving your home for deterioration can also be the reason for a decrease in your equity. Now, if you are concerned about losing the equity in your house, you should speak with a local real estate professional. They can examine comparable sales in the region to estimate the fair market value of your home and make recommendations on how to proceed. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you learned on all about the magic of equity and how to keep your financial future shining bright. Just remember, if you ever see things headed in the wrong direction, act fast. And don't be afraid to call in the Equity Cavalry. Now, before you go and put your newfound equity knowledge to the test, don't forget to give us some love by subscribing to our channel with a bell notification. We promise to keep the awesome content coming your way. And if you really enjoy what you just watched, hit that like button and leave us a hilarious comment. So until next time, my friend, stay equity savvy, and we'll catch you in the next one.